What is up, everybody? It's C5 Colson here. A lot of y'all like the POV drives, so I'm gonna do more. So if y'all are new here, this is my C5 Corvette, and it has a lot of stuff done to it, including a cam, long tube headers, and a lot of like cosmetic mods. But yeah, enough of the yap. Let's go drive. So I actually just got back from the gym. Good little gym sesh. I mean, it was really packed. I need to switch gyms because I go to Planet Fitness and dude, it's pretty bad with how many people are there. If y'all are wondering why like I don't have my pop-ups up ever now, it's because like one of my things are broken and I have to fix it. Oh, let me show y'all, or let me let y'all listen to the camera. Sheesh. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. A lot of y'all like how much I talk in my videos. I really appreciate that because I like to talk. I'm gonna roll the windows down a little bit, but I'm not gonna keep it down the entire time because the wind gets pretty bad and I don't have my mic set up. Oh, this traffic, dude. I don't care. I still don't regret getting a manual. I do want to do POV drives like more out in the city, which I will be doing in the future. But I wanted to make a little video for y'all. So we're just gonna drive around. Pretty interested in like getting a 340i for a daily. It's a really good motor. There's a lot of mods for it, and like BMWs as a daily, I feel like that'd be perfect. Like I was debating on like a G37 or like even a 4Runner, but I think like in the future, like if I keep growing and like when I get monetized and everything, I think that would be a pretty good investment. Let me know if y'all would be interested in that, like BMW content. You know, the B58 has a turbo, or 2 turbos. It's inline 6, like that'd be pretty cool. Some V6 Mustang beat me the other day. Some girl got a V6 Mustang, doesn't know how to act in my school. Came flying past me like 100. My ego, like I gassed it not to let her in, but I was in a high gear and I wasn't like full throttle. She went past me. It was merging into one lane. So embarrassing. That's fine. But she was going like 100, bro, like down the country road. Like chill out. Why are you in such a rush? There's no need to be doing all that. It's pretty crazy how like fast time flies, because Texas 2000 or 2K is almost here already. That's crazy. And me and my girlfriend's 2-year anniversary is almost here too, so that's even crazier. What kind of content y'all want to see, make sure to just put it down in the comments, man. Like I listen to y'all, like a lot of y'all like the POV drives, like I said earlier, so I'm gonna do more of them. I want to be like an actual, like not a influencer. Oh shoot, what the bro, holy crap, dude, fix the road. Okay, anyways, I want to be like a content creator that like isn't so, you know, just about money. Because I mean, obviously, like everybody wants their money. It's a job, but I want to just like, you know, like inspire people and be relatable, like motivational. that's kind of like what my calling is, or what I'm good at. I was like wanting to do bags, but I'm kind of like thinking like, do I do coils or bags? I was talking to this guy. It's like a static. He has a static C5, and the thing is with coils is like, obviously I can't air up. I won't be able to go as low, but I can change like the dampening and everything. Because right now, like the lowering bolts, they're not really the best. It's like, it's a cheap version of lowering your car, you know what I mean? So obviously it's not gonna be like the best option. Like I just saw I just hit a bump and I felt like I just died. I'm about to be like where Dave's Hot Chicken is. Dude, so many people on TikTok talk about Dave's Hot Chicken being overrated. Dave's Hot Chicken is my favorite place to eat, bro. I don't care what people say. You have to get the extra seasoning on the fries, and you have to get honey. You have to at least get hot or above. Like, I don't know about like, you know, like the Carolina Reaper, but like you can't get a medium because then it's just not that good. But when you get hot with cheese, no coleslaw, put the sauce on it and put honey, bro, I'm telling you, that is a 10 out of 10 meal. Best meal ever. Not everyone agrees with me for some reason, because y'all are wrong. Dave's Hot Chicken is so good. But like, back to like the coils thing. If y'all like are like slammed on coils like static, let me know how it is. Because I know like people are like, it's a lifestyle. It's, you know, if you can't do it, you're a P-word. But like, realistically, like not coping is like, I have a friend that's on coilovers and they're not like BC, like they're more like, you know, cheaper ones, which that's probably what I would have to do at first. How is it like unbearable, or is it something I should do? Like, should I just go ahead and save up for the bags? Like, just let me know. I was really wanting to do clears too, but now the red lights are actually growing on me. I really like the infinity lights. If there was a way I could get the clear lenses with the infinity light, I would do that 100%. But the red actually does not look bad with the green. It looks different because most people do clears. So I think it's pretty cool. It's like kind of original to me, and it actually looks good. If y'all aren't followed to my Instagram or my TikTok, I'm gonna put it right here. Make sure to follow it. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers, or not subscribers, but followers on Instagram. And that's like where I post all my updates. It's on Instagram. On TikTok, I normally just post clips, but on Instagram, that's where I post like all my stories and like early teasers to my mods and stuff. I love going on bridges, bro. Holy traffic! It's finally like whether to take my top off. Which I didn't know you can take the top off of these if you don't get the 06 or the FRC, the target top. I only like downside of social media is I don't know about like if any of y'all are watching this that post, like it like kind of like consumes you in a way. Like I'm always thinking about it, and before like I didn't obviously, but I'm devoted to it because this is my future. Like I want to build my future to this. I want to get a job obviously, but to want the things you want, you have to do the things for it. Like that sounds stupid, but you have to put in the effort and the work to get to the place you want, obviously. And I want cool things. I want a good future for me and my girl. I want to have a nice house. I want to have the cars I want. And I'm not gonna just spawn in one day with all that. I have to work for it. So, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna grind. Especially while I have the time. Because God gifted me this platform and the opportunity to have all these followers and have all these viewers. So, I'm going to, you know, stay with that, man. It's not good. Dude, my car would pop so much if I took my cats, my resonators out. I have high flows, but because that's not a pop tune or anything. It's just, you know, like actual natural pops. I know a lot of people think pop tunes are gay, or I don't mean it in that way. I'm just saying what other people say. I think they're kind of cool in my opinion, but also I like slammed cars. So if any of y'all are watching this and I want to post content, bro, do it. The faster you do it, the faster you get out there. And if you never try something, then you will never, you know, it's like a missed opportunity. Like if I never posted a video that night, I wouldn't have that many views. That's just how it works. Just do it, bro. Just don't care what people think of you. Like I'll have haters. You know, I used to have people like mock me a tiny bit at school, like, you know, for fun, not like bullying, anything like that. But just ignore it, dude, because once you get to the place, you know, having thousands of followers, people will respect you. And just do what you like. Life is too short to just sit there and live a robotic life, man. Let's park all the way in the back. My friend the Supra may be here. That'd be pretty funny. That car is insane. Like, it's so clean. I really do like the Supras. I wanted one pretty bad, especially when they first came out. I remember like everyone used to hate on them, which is the funny thing. Alright, POV coming off. Alright guys, hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know it was a big yap sesh, but I always told y'all like that, so more POVs coming. But yeah, my car is really coming together. I'm so excited and happy the way it's turning out. And I wouldn't be here without y'all, my family, my friends, and my supporting girlfriend.
Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Hopefully I'll see y'all around. And goodbye.